Hello everybody and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. Today we're going to be talking about sensor number 18 in the 36 sensor series, and it is the NTC thermistor, or negative temperature coefficient thermistor. So I've got it set up down here with an Arduino. So there you have your sensor. Alright. Your 0 volts, 5 volts, and your signal back to the Arduino connected. It's simple. It has got the resistor for the current limiting through the it's bias resistor for the NTC thermistor mounted on the board. You don't need an external one. It's a 10k resistor. So if I flash up the scope here, you can see the temperature being sent back by the Arduino. And if I touch the bead, you see the temperature increase. And if I heat it a little bit with the flame, you see a nice increase there. So that's the readout we're getting from the thermistor. Let's have a look at the code. So I don't really have specs on this. It's part of the kit, and you get this, and you've got to do digging. So I've fudged figures to make it work, all right. But it kind of works, and we're demonstrating a principle here. It's a resistor where the resistance decreases with a increase in temperature. It's called a negative temperature coefficient. So in a previous video on my channel, I did a demonstration of these on Wokwi, and we talked about the curve. And that curve has a beta value, so I'll put 3000 in there for that. That seems to work quite well. We flash up the serial port so that we can send data back to the PC. Read the analog input note over here, the yellow wire. And then we do the calculations using 1023, which is a maximum value for the 8-bit analog input. And then that Kelvin, that's supposed to be minus 273, a Kelvin value, but I had to fudge it a bit to sort of offset the value to get it closer to room temperature. But here we are doing the logarithmic calculation, and the result of that is Celsius. Then we print a string. I am not printing the C, but you can print the C, degree C. But I've taken it out because I'm sending stuff to the scope. You print the result in Celsius, and you wait a second and you loop. That's the long or the short of the code. This logarithmic calculation over here is where the magic happens with the conversion of the analog value coming back from the NTC thermistor to producing a useful degree C reading. if you were displaying that in Fahrenheit, you'd of course add 32 to it and multiply it by 1.8 to get a Fahrenheit value. And let's have a quick look at the wiring. I had the drawing here. Bear with me for a second. There we go. There's a drawing. But we already talked about it. It's simple. You got 0 volts, 5 volts and your signal back. The wiring is very simple. So that concludes sensor 18 in the series. We got an actual one to play with, but you can go into Wokwi and play with the virtual one if you don't have no hardware. Dig through my videos and you'll find it. Actually, I'll put a link in the description as well, so it's there for you to go look at. Please, if you're a returning viewer, remember to subscribe. Hit the bell notification. If this is your type of thing, like and comment. For the rest, have an awesome day further, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll see you here for more. Cheers.